Very good. Don't take it out yet. Okay. Okay. He knows it's there. All right. In his infinite wisdom, Chet has bought Morgan a big blue ball, and we're about to see a side of Morgan you've never seen before. And it's only big blue balls. Not big orange balls, not big yellow balls, just the big blue balls. And he's going to get very frustrated. Morgan, what you got? What you got? Look, he's shaking. Doesn't fit in my mouth. This is nothing. What you got, Morgan? Here, try to take it away from him. He's actually relatively calm. Morgan, what you got? I must get it in my mouth.
He's determined, though. I know. He's gonna have a sore jaw.
He's being calm. He's not making any of his weird noises yet.
Yeah.
Let's give him some time. Morgie, what you got? What is it? There we go. We got the noises going.
Oh. Oh.
Please don't lose a tooth. Oh, it's gonna go rolling down the hill.
That might be what needs to happen. Mark.
Nice, just hit him with it.
He's intense about that.
Yeah.
I'm not even that intense about anything.
Yeah. Morgan, what's happening with that ball? Oh, don't lose a tooth, mister. You don't have that many. There we go. Good boy. Good boy, Morgan. Can Mommy have the ball? Can Mommy have it? Can Mommy have the ball? Go get it.
So what's with the inflatable ones? He usually pops it by now?
Yeah.
Gets his mouth on and pops it?
Yeah. Oh, look at you. Good boy. Good boy. Wow. Wow. I'm surprised he's not making funny noises. Good boy, Morgan. Look at you go. Can you carry it up the hill?
He wants to.
All right, get your ball. Get your big blue ball. Look at you. Remember, teeth are precious. You don't have very many. Good boy, Morgan.